Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, your one-step channel for the latest campus life updates, placement exams and interview experiences, all explained in both Hindi and English so you can prepare smartly for your dream IT job. Today's video is all about Zensar Technologies, one of the leading global IT companies known for innovation, data intelligence and digital transformation. We will covering the aptitude and technical rounds for the roles of data annotation and data collector position that play a key role in AI training, machine learning and data quality improvement projects at Zensar. In round 1, you will face aptitude and logical reasoning MCQs focusing on problem solving, spatial understanding and quick decision making, exactly the kind of thinking required in annotation and labeling tasks. Then comes a round 2 where you will get 35 technical and domain based MCQs covering topics like Python basics, Git commands, Ubuntu system handling, VS Code operation, error debugging and data handling in video annotation environment. These questions are designed to test not just your coding knowledge but also your accuracy, attention to detail, and ability to handle real world data challenges. And remember, after these two rounds, shortlisted candidates move directly to the personal interview round, which focuses more on your communication skills and project understanding. But we will skip that part in this video to keep our focus on what matters most. So sit tight, grab a notebook, and let's dive deep into Zensar Technologies' actual aptitude and technical pattern. Questions by question, with detail and answer and explanations. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends who are preparing for placement this season. Let's begin the journey towards your big opportunity. Zensar Technology Recruitment 2025 Data Annotation and Data Collector Rounds only on Tech News 04. Zensar Technology Round 1 Aptitude and Reasoning 25 questions. First one, if table is coded as GZYOH, then chair is coded as, answer is C, XUFZI. Second question, if 12 workers can finish a task in 8 days, how many workers are required to finish the same task in 6 days? So answer is C, 16 days. Pointing to a man, Seema said he is the son of my grandmother's only son. How is the man related to Seema? Answer is 1, brother. Choose the odd one out, router. Which number should come next? 64. Find the missing term 112. Ravi faces east, he turns 270 degree clockwise. Which direction is he facing now? West direction. Which of the following is most similar in meaning to accurate labeling? Exacted identification, B option. A cube is painted on all sides and cut into 64 equal small cubes. How many small cubes have exactly one face painted? 24. If you want this PDF, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. If the opposite of north is south, what is opposite to west? East. Which of the following requires a spatial reasoning? B. Understanding object location on a table. The fastest and most reliable way to share a large dataset within a team using it is to C. Commit and push changes to a repository. Which of the following is not an operating system? VS Code is not an operating system. Okay. In a certain code, Python is written as OXSGNM. How is script written as? RBQHQS. C option. When reading a log file, what should you look for first in case of an error? B option, error message or status. Choose the correct order of these file types by size. Answer 1. A. 1 is less than to 2 is less than to 3 is less than 4. Which of the following is the best description of the annotation? B option, labeling data with relevant information. In which situation should you escalate a problem? When you find an unclear case during annotation. A option. Which device is used for tracking spatial movement? C option tracker. If you move 5 meters north, then 5 meters east, then 5 meters south, how far are you from the starting point? 7.0507 meters. What does parse logs mean? B option read and extract key information from logs. Which of these tasks would require identifying start and end timestamps? A option video segmentation. Next, if your cube's volume is 64 centimeter cube, what is its edge length? 4 centimeter. Which command is used in Git to update your local repo from the server? C option git pull. What is the most important quality in teamwork? C option constructive feedback. As round 1 completed, we will go to round 2. Comes round 2 technical questions. Okay, first one is in Python, what is the output of this code? Answer is data 3 times data. Which file extension is used for Python script? .py. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Python? Value underscore 2. In Python, which keyword is used to handle exception? Except. B option. What will be the output of this code? Answer is 2. B option. Which command is used to install a Python package? B option pip install. What does the term data annotation mean? B option adding labels to description or description to data. A next question in Git, which command is used to check the current status of file? B option git status. In Ubuntu, which command lists files in the current directory? C option is. Next, in VS Code, which shortcut opens the integrated terminal? Here comes the answer B option control plus. What type of Python error occurs when you miss a colon after an if statement? A syntax error. B C option. Which of this command is used to copy files in Ubuntu? B option CP. Which library is most commonly used for image annotation in Python? B option OpenCV. What does the git pull command do? B option downloads latest code from server. Next question, which of the following describe a frame in a video? A single still image in the video. B option. What is the shortcut to comment a line in VS Code Windows? Control plus slash. B option. In Python, what does the length of braces function do? Parenthesis function do. Find the total number of item. A option. What is the function of a tracker during data collection? To monitor movement or position. A option. Which of these files format is commonly used to store video annotation data? D option. All of the above. When setting up multiple cameras, what is most important to maintain data integrity? B option camera angle synchronization. Next question in Git, which command is used to switch branches? C option git checkout. Next, in Python, what will be the output of this code? Int. C option. What is the primary use of the print colon function in Python? To display output. B option. Which of the following ways to explain debugging? B option finding and fixing errors. In Ubuntu, the command pwd shows. C option the present working directory. Next, if you receive a permission denied error in Ubuntu, what can you try? B option run command with sudo. Which Python library is used for handling tabular data? B option pandas. What is the full form of JSON? JavaScript object notation. B option. The command to create a new folder in Ubuntu is A option mkdir. Which of the following represent a boolean value in Python? B option true. Here comes the next question. What should you do if annotation result differ from among team members? B option escalate and discuss edge cases. What is the purpose of VS Code extension? B option to add features like linting themes or debugging tools. Next question, which of the following file types is typically large in size? C option MP4. In Python, what is the output of this code? Answer is false. B option. Oh, which of the following qualities is most essential for data annotation? B option, accuracy and attention to detail. So here we end the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe please.